Hello students, I be back with the new video of the last week continuation of science subject. Standard 4th subject E.V.S. 1 Science lesson number 7 Food and Nutrition part 2. Students, open your E.V.S. part 1 textbook page number 45. Preserving the nourishment in food ingredients. Students, listen properly. While preparing food items, some of the constituents in the foodstuffs can get destroyed. Yes, students. So, what to do? We have to take some precautions to avoid that. Here, one by one, precautions with the help of the slide, I am going to explain it. So, see that. Yes, first point, when cooking food, add only as much water as is necessary. Right, your mama is preparing the food item. You can see how much water mama is adding. Use a pressure cooker or cover the food with a lid while cooking it. Yes, students, while cooking time, we know our mama is always covering that food item with a lid. Sprout pulses before using them. Use them while the sprouts are still small. Do not wait for them to grow long. Use whole grain flour without sifting. Eat fruits like chicos, guavas, pear, grapes, apples, and figs along with their skin. Besides, vegetables like carrots, radishes, cucumbers, beetroot should be eaten raw in the form of salads. Whenever possible, mix 2 or 3 foodstuffs in a dish. For example, add onions and potatoes to ussels. Add drumsticks to curries. Add some soaked dals while cooking vegetables. We'll move to the next page number 46. A tongue for tasting. Here a conversation is going on. We'll read and see what it is. As usual, we had all gathered in the garden in the evening. Monica Tai said, "Shall I tell you something funny about our tongue?" As we drew closer to her, she said, "How do we make water sweet without sugar? Just try this. Chew an amla well and drink water right after that. The water tastes sweet." Have you all tried this, students? After eating amla, when we drink water, the water tastes sweet. Just try and see, students. "Really, I never knew this," said Mary. Then Balu said, "We learned last year that our tongue helps us to taste things. But how does only one tongue tell us all the different tastes?" Subhash piped up, "So, do you want a different tongue for every taste?" That made everyone laugh. Monica Tai said, "Balu, we have only 2 eyes, and how many colors do we see with them? So, one tongue can also tell us many tastes." So, students, what we can learn from this? See that we understand different tastes with the help of our tongue. There are tiny taste buds on our tongue. Taste buds are sensitive to different tastes such as sweet, bitter, sour, and salty. Now, observe this picture. Wash your mouth, clean your tongue, and stand in front of the mirror. Stick your tongue out and look at it carefully. You will see tiny peaks on the tongue. They are called taste buds. These taste buds tell us the different taste. Yes, students, you can also do this in front of the mirror and try and see what we can see. The tiny peaks on the tongue. That peaks are called the taste buds. Yes, these taste buds are giving us, telling us the different taste. What are that? Yes, sweet, sour, bitter, and salty, and even the hot taste also. Move to the next page number 47. Know the different taste. Let us see how the tongue tells us the different taste. Students, this is one activity you can do at home. See, collect the following things: sugar candy or jaggery, salt, tamarind or lemon, fenugreek or methi seeds, a piece of an amla. Taste each of these things. After tasting each one, rinse your mouth with water. Wait for 2 minutes and then taste the next one. Copy the following table in your notebook and complete it. See, here the table is given. You can taste one by one things and write in the side of that table what taste you feel it. Okay, students? Look at this table, students. You can also draw and make the table in your rough book and taste one by one thing and write the taste in that box. You can do this activity at home and enjoy it. Now, see students, let's have some fun. Here, this is a game. 4 or 5 of you can play this game together. One person is the it. Each one of the others tells it the name of a food stuff. For example, raw mango, green chilli, chutney, rock salt, a bundi laddu, kari bundi, a chiku, a medicine, etc. Here students, miming means what? To show facial expressions. Which food stuff you are eating, that expression, that taste will come to your face. That is the miming play. The child who is it must show by miming what it tastes like. Take turns to be it. When everyone has had a turn at being it, the game is finished. Now we will have a quick recap of what we have learned. Our diet includes many different food items. There is great variety in the foodstuffs we use to prepare different dishes. The food constituents that meet our food related needs are present in these foodstuffs in different proportions. Our food related needs are met if our body gets all these food constituents in the right quantities. Our taste buds helps us to know the different taste. And always remember students, our diet should include all kinds of foodstuffs. Here ends this lesson. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.